Well, it is definitely going to have to be wherever we do this. So let's try if we do that. Nope, only do it once. So we must be, our cursor must be moving some other time. Let's go ahead, just set cursor position. Let's see. Am I trying to be cute here? This looks like I'm trying to be cute. Starting column. We load the that, and we load into B, the increment, and then we shift left B several times and add B to A. Interesting. An odd way of doing it for me. So let's see. That is the starting column. And then the number 1, 2, 3, 4. What a strange way of doing it. This should be the number we're going to print. Alright, we'll load that value into B. And then we shift left 1, 2, 3 times. And then add that to A. That's what this is. Let's go ahead and put a halt here. And save, exit, rebuild, rerun. Alright. So print it out the deck, right? Now we are going to load constant 2 into A, which is correct. Now we're going to load it to the DR register, the pointer to our I. Right? It's currently 1. Then we're going to load a B from memory. So we're going to load that 1 into B. We're going to shift B left 1, 2, 3 times. We're going to sum those two. It gives us A. I don't know why I didn't just add 5 or something. Seems like a weird way of doing it. Why would I do that? What was I thinking when I decided to shift left the value instead? Very strange. Oh, because it's from this leftmost corner. So each time we're doing it not the same constant amount, because otherwise we would just, I see what the logic was. There's our 1. Wait, not character. Now, if we read that in, we're now reading 2. If we shift that left 3 times, we get 10. Sum that to 12. I just don't need to shift it left 3 times. Let's see what happens if we only shift it left twice. It's a way of multiplying. That's what it was. Shift left is essentially multiplied by 2. So I'm multiplying the index by 4. I was multiplying it by 8 in order to find the position here. But that seems a bit excessive. So let's just do it by 4 instead of 8. Hopefully they won't run into each other. There we go. Give me that halt function now. And then slow B. Multiply B by 4 via shifts. Previously 8. I can go A. That 4 is awful big. And now we got a long screen. Yay! And it only took me, I don't know how long to figure out where I was when I left off. So, not a big fan of that version of LEDs. I mean, thanks for joining me on this adventure back in time to my vague memory of what I had done the last time. And hope you got to experience some of what it's like to come upon a code base that you vaguely remember and then have to decipher it from the source code without comments. And so, like I said, add the comments to the lines as you go, and you won't have to do this. Just comment why you're doing the thing and not necessarily what exactly it's doing, because anyone can read code, even if it's assembly code. So, anyway, that's about it for now. See you next time.